Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16s, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, have it open and visible on the screen. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's already open and visible. And from there, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound along with this pop-up right here, and we have two options: scroll and share, and after a moment the screenshot disappears. Now the scroll option is accessible when you can scroll down on something like this. So just to kind of showcase this, as you can see, it starts scrolling. I can tap on it to stop it, can drag it down myself, click on done, and this will now save a longer version of a screenshot. Now, the two screenshots that I have just captured can both be found in the Photos application. As you can see them right here today, but you should also be easily able to locate it under Albums and Screenshots. So there we go. There's the long screenshot. As you can see, it has black borders because it is longer. So if I would fill up the screen, I can scroll up and down on it. And then there's the normal one from the home screen. And that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.